Hi, everyone. The site that I'm going to present is the Quaternary Cameroon volcano. Why this site has been listed among the first 100 IUGS geological heritage sites? It is because among its exceptional characteristics, it is one of the few volcanoes in the world located at the ocean continent boundary in a passive tectonic margin. I am Zangmo Tefogoum Ghislain from the University of Maroua, Cameroon. Cameroon is in the heart of Africa. Some authors said Cameroon is an Africa in miniature, meaning that whatever you will find in every African countries, you will have it in Cameroon. Among those things, we have volcanoes. Cameroon is crossed from the southwest till the northeast by an ocean continental structure called Cameroon volcanic line. It is a set of several volcanoes. Among them, we have Mount Cameroon. It is the most impressive because it is culminates at above 4,000 meters and with a volume of 1.2 thousand cubic kilometers. About the geological context, we must know that Cameroon volcano is a large elliptical stratovolcano elongated in the directions southwest-northeast, built on a Pan-African granitogneissic basement covered by Cretaceous to Quaternary sediment. The story of this site has been dominated by several Strombolian and Hawaiian eruptions that gave rise to multiple pyroclastic cones and basaltic lava. Here we have the geographical representation through this, of rocks through this geological map. You have the old basalt, the recent lava. We have sedimentary rocks. We have numerous cones here represented by gray circle, and we also have geological, geomorphological phenomena. What is Laha? What about geological description? The site is dominated by more than 300 cones. Excuse us for the mistakes in the book. It is 140, but the recent data show that it is more than 300 pyroclastic cones with slope ranging from 25 to 43 degrees. And if you look closer to these pictures, you will see that the majority of cones are broken and they appear coalescent, isolated, and truncated. We also have AA-type mafic lava of 30 to 120 meters width, 3 to 9 kilometers long, and a distal front of 15 meters high. We can see on these pictures the lava, and we also have the recent lava of the eruption of 2000 that cut the road linking one of the most region of the one of the beautiful locality of the southern region of Cameroon called Bakingili. The road has been cut by the lava, as we can enjoy it in this image. This lava belongs to what characterizes the intraplate volcanic rocks, what we call alkaline series. And alkaline series there is characterized by basanites and basalt that in places show the xenolite of dunite, whorlite, and clinopyroxenite. One of the characteristics of Cameroon volcano is the presence of the small, they call it locally small Mount Cameroon or small Cameroon volcano. It is the Mount Etende. It lies on the southwestern part of the volcano, and it is exclusively composed of silica undersaturated rocks called nephelinite. If we see these pictures of Batoke Black Beach, we observe that there are a lot of pebbles of nephelinite in the field. We also enjoy the impact sac in the sedimentary layers that compose the cliffs that face the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Finally, Cameroon volcano possesses two masses. Debuncha and Bomena, respectively located in the southwestern and northwestern flank. As you can see, Debuncha is used for some activities, recreational activity for local population, and Bomana is a little bit not accessible. That's why you can see the color of the water. The green is due of the development of phytoplankton. What about the scientific tradition? Volcanic and tectonic processes coupled with natural hazard arouse great interest on a national and international scale for over half a century. Several tens of scientific papers from JS 1941 till Orok and Fonje 2022 has been published. We must retain that all those scientific papers cover what I can say, all the field of natural sciences. And the site is also important because it is a natural laboratory for outdoor training program. There, in these pictures, you can observe some volcanologists working in the field. We have Professor Guntier, Neshia, Professor Kagu, Professor Quatio, late Professor Wanji, and other volcanologists. Some of you may recognize Jean-Marie Bardindieff here. As I said before, what gave the opportunity of Mount Cameroon or Cameroon volcano to be among the first 100 geological heritage sites of IUGS, it is because if you look closely, this map that presents the geographical repartition of volcanoes around the globe, you will see that Cameroon volcano is one of the few, maybe the only volcanoes or only active volcanoes located in an ocean boundary in passive tectonic margin. One of the interesting characteristics of this landform is it possesses more than 300 adventive craters or secondary craters. Here represented in this map in pink color. You can see what all the volcano flanks are covered by this landform. The volcano has experienced around 8 major eruptions recorded in the last century from 1909 to 2000. These eruptions were accompanied by several seismic episodes. As you can see on this diagram, the seismic episode it is the monthly data from 1993 to 1997. And the area experienced also geomorphological hazards such as landslide and lahar. I can end my talk without addressing a deep thanks to Professor Emmanuel Renard, the University of Lausanne, and the organizer for having supported my participation to this, I can say, almost event. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Obrigado. Muchas gracias.